ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, good morning. Welcome back. Here you go. There's your sunrise. We're 2 minutes past sunrise, by the way, here in Providence. Beautiful shot out here. And you know what? We're looking at sun to fill the day. And that sun's going to do some good work for us, too. Should get our temperatures up to around 40 to 41 degrees, which you will no doubt note is 10 degrees colder than average. So we're still in that colder than average trend. At least we're not in record low temperature territory. That's about 16. We are starting about 5 to 6 degrees warmer than that this morning. Sunrise time today was at 6:42. Sunset today, which you'll also see, is at 4:21. Our temperatures are cold, no question about it. We are at 22 right now in Providence. We have 21 in Smithfield. We're at 20 to start out by Worcester. We have 25 running along the south coast from Westerly to Newport, right on into New Bedford, even 28 out on Block Island. But we also have these winds out here. They're coming in from the west and the southwest. And that's not really the important part. The important part is the speed this morning. Where we have wind speeds greater than 3 miles per hour, that's where we're registering wind chill. And when the snapshot was taken of our wind chills, which I'll show you in a second, winds were at 3 miles per hour for Killingly and Westerly. That's not the case right now, though, so it does feel like the teens there as well. We had some pretty impressive gusts on the Cape and also Nantucket earlier on. We had gusts up to 40 miles per hour, but it's nice to see that situation improve. In the meantime, our winds that are generally under 10 miles per hour, making it feel like the teens. Feels like 14 in Providence, 17 in Newport, 18 is what you should dress for in New Bedford. Feels like 15 in Smithfield. Headed to Worcester? Yeah, feels closer to 10 this morning with that little bit of a wind going on. Our satellite and radar doesn't have a lot to do. And I guess that's the whole point. We do have a warm front that'll be today's main weather influence. It's right here. But as it goes through northern New England, it will give them some clouds and the chance of picking up a snow shower. For us, it's just going to help to mix things up and possibly give us some increasing wind. So blustery conditions will likely be in place by the time we get to the afternoon. So here's that warm front right here. Here's what that looks like. Moving through northern New England with clouds, chance of a snow shower, and that continues to move on out. Behind it, high pressure right here moves in to take over, and that gets us into Tuesday. That area of high pressure causes winds to relax, so we're not going to be dealing with the wind chill factor for tomorrow, and it's going to be here for Wednesday too. So that wind chilly morning is really just going to be this morning, and conditions will improve even as we look down the road to Thanksgiving. So an early look at your Thanksgiving forecast. Right now, looking mostly sunny, temperatures topping out at 46, still 5 degrees cooler than average, but at least conditions will be dry, so it will give us safer travel conditions, really for now right through to Thanksgiving. It's after Thanksgiving where things could get a little dicey, and I'll explain more in just a second, but I wanted to show you today, sunny, becoming blustery for the afternoon, and certainly chilly. 41's your high temperature, but with the winds we're expecting, gusting to 25 miles per hour, it's not going to feel that warm really at any point during the day today, so plan for the chill. It's like a scarf, hat, mittens kind of day, definitely for the little ones, before setting them off to meet the bus. For tonight, mainly clear. We'll start off breezy and cold. Those winds will relax during the overnight hours, and lows will be dropping into the upper 20s. And that's how we'll start your Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday are looking fine, but once we get to Friday into Saturday, models are suggesting we could be dealing with a coastal storm. As of now, it looks like should it happen along the projected track, we will be looking at rain here in our corner of southern New England, but that could factor into snow in northern New England. But keep in mind, we have a lot of elements that could happen that could change that situation. So please stay tuned. We will be keeping you updated, and we're expecting to have a higher confidence on that potential storm tomorrow and certainly by Wednesday. Doreen?
All right.